Top here. Digestive system starts obviously in the mouth. We have 3 glands that are contributing to the saliva that gets in there. We have one right here. This is your parotid salivary gland. We have one right there, right underneath the mandible, submandibular gland. You can see it also over here as well. It is that guy right there. And then the last one is below the tongue, sublingual. Pretty easy. Chew the food, swallow it down. Again, we have the pharynx, but I'm not going to show that. It's not really on this one. It'd be oropharynx, laryngopharynx, into the esophagus right there. Into the esophagus right there. Let's move this, come back. We enter into the stomach. We have a little sphincter muscle. That's that circular ring right there. Okay, the circular ring right there. That's called the cardiac sphincter. Open this up here just to give you a frame of reference. Okay, so here's how that thing sits. Stomach sits. Okay, again, the cardiac sphincter. We have this dome-shaped area up here. This is the fundus of the stomach. The body of the stomach, where the bulk of the digestion is happening. And then the last distal portion here is the pylorus region of the stomach. We had a sphincter to get in, we had a sphincter to get out. Sphincters regulate movement throughout this entire digestive system. The cardiac sphincter, here it's the pyloric sphincter. Pylorus region, pylorus sphincter, pretty easy. We exit the pyloric sphincter into the small intestine. Here, okay. This first part of the small intestine is right here. This is the duodenum. The jejunum is the second part. The ileum is the third part. So the jejunum, I'll put a sticker, right here in this region. Okay. For the ileum, it's the distal portion, right there. Okay, that's where I put a sticker. Jejunum is where you primarily do your digestion and absorbing of nutrients. And we have some changes there that are unique. Maybe we'll have some time, we'll talk about those things. Here's the distal portion of the ileum right here as well. It's being represented. We have a sphincter that regulates exit from the small, enter into the large intestine. It's that guy right there. That guy right there. That's the ileocecal valve. It's just a sphincter. We go through that, and we enter into the first part of the large intestine. That is the cecum right here. Just gonna put this back real quick. Okay. So I have the cecum, up the ascending colon, across the transverse colon, down the descending colon, into this jig jog right here. That's the sigmoid colon, rectum, and the very tail end, the anus. I have a couple of structures that are called accessory glands, organs, I guess I should say. I have some accessory glands up here. Those would be the salivary glands. They are accessory because the digestive system is one long tube from mouth to anus. The mouth, the pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small, large intestine, all of that is just one long tube. Okay? The accessory structures, food doesn't go through there per se, it aids the process. One of those, right here, is the liver. And on the underside of the liver, I have this guy right here, the gallbladder. Liver stores nutrients, processes nutrients, makes bile, makes cholesterol, makes some fats, okay? Gallbladder stores the bile. It does not make it. Stores it, concentrate it. So whenever you, eat a fatty meal, gallbladder starts contracting and releases that bile into a number of ducts. But the only one that I want you to know is the common bile duct. It's the green dude right there on the backside. Okay, it's the easiest place to see it. Okay, the common bile duct. We can kind of see it on the model here. Okay, there's my gallbladder. That's the cystic duct. It's not on your sheet. That's the cystic duct. We have a common hepatic duct right here where those two meet. Right here at this very tip is the common bile duct right up here. I think on those brick red models, it may be a little bit more elongated and maybe easier to see up there, but it's definitely easiest to see right here on the back side. This common bile duct right there. It dumps right into the duodenum. So when that fatty content comes rushing by, runs into the bile, and it doesn't congeal altogether. It helps to increase fat digestion. The last structure, the third one, right there, pancreas. Secretes all the digestive enzymes for your macros. Again, dumps it right into the duodenum right there. It also secretes hormones as well, but those are directly into the blood. There's your digestive system.